Come look ya.
Good morning. You see that little girl here? I sent her garbage last night and made it up I do something. And she no garbage about 12 odd. No, she cannot wake. Look at this girl at this school morning. Look at this girl. Hello, miss. Hello, ma'am. Hello. A school morning, you know? So you have to say? You have to say for yourself? You know nothing to say? Oh. So what you think? Oh. So you not get up? And then you go to school? So why you still sleeping? I said, guys, the bungy, the girl a join, the girl wrap up from head to toe, and the girl a draw bungy. Me know I'm there, so I try for iron or something. Look at this girl. Now, sir, kids for sale, our daughter for sale.